Is Mercedes secretly building the best compact EV of 2027? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, do me one quick favor. Smash that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the newest car reveals. Alright, let's get into the brand new 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLB-Class. The electric mini SUV that's replacing the EQB and shaking up everything we knew about Mercedes' small family hauler. Mercedes just revealed the redesigned GLB, and while it keeps its small, boxy, fit-everyone-in vibe, the inside is completely reworked, starting with the powertrain. The new GLB goes full electric at launch, coming in two versions: GLB 250 Plus, rear-wheel drive, 268 horsepower, 247 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds. GLB 350, all-wheel drive. Dual motors, 349 horsepower, 380 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Both get a 2-speed transmission on the rear axle, a rare feature in EVs that boosts efficiency and acceleration. Underneath, both models share the same 85 kilowatt-hour NMC battery. Range for the GLB 250 Plus lands between 286 and 333 miles, EPA estimate, while the more powerful GLB 350 delivers around 275 to 325 miles. And charging? Up to 9.6 kilowatts on AC, and a blazing 320 kilowatts on DC fast charging. That's some serious road trip confidence. If you're still watching, so hit like to help this channel grow. It means more than you know. Not ready to go fully electric? A hybrid GLB will join the lineup later, using the new CLA 220's setup. The new GLB is longer, wider, and rides on a bigger wheelbase, giving passengers more room in nearly every direction. Second-row legroom jumps by 2.7 inches. 5- and 7-seat layouts return, making this one of the most flexible, compact luxury SUVs on the market. Inside, it gets even wilder. Choose the Super Screen and you get 10.3-inch digital driver display, 14-inch center screen, 14-inch passenger display. Physical buttons return to the steering wheel, finally, and the whole system is powered by new AI software with over-the-air updates and Google Maps-based navigation. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but considering the electric CLA starts at $48,400, expect the GLB to command a small premium. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLB-Class EV goes on sale late next year, with the hybrid versions following in early 2027. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, hit like and subscribe so you never miss the hottest car drops and future news. See you in the next one.